ourselves to the creek. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun tonight. You told me you don't really think the if you trust me, consider your message received. You said you couldn't take us too seriously. I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you